bust a motherfucker with the Glock. Have a fucking heart attack. I don't give a motherfucker about any of the shit. Take a shot, hold that thought. Now I'ma let it rock. I'm just chillin' with the crew. We fuck around, that's how we do. Then we fuck with the life, fucking with the sheriff's wife. Put her down in the dirt, leave her buried, then she squirt. Plain and simple, then we dip. I ain't playing with this shit. I'm a motherfucking murderer. I'm motherfucking murderer. I'm motherfucking murder her. I can't remember, it's a blur. What the fuck you saying? How I never ever heard you, but I'll hurt you. Oh, I'll burn you. Fucking choose, you're gonna lose. Check the time, I'll blow your mind. You'll never see it coming. I'm becoming evil every day. A motherfucking stay away. Pop you up, then watch you drop at 5:05 a.m. Take a fucking sip of gin. Pull the trigger, say the end.
I feel so motherfucking sick from the murders that they do. Blood streaming down your neck as I grip onto the tech. Head pounding like the pigs at your motherfucking door. No questions will be asked because it was doing harm. Find your motherfucking body mutilated in the sea, rolling like a fucking truck. Blood all spread out. You think there's recovery, but you do not want to know me ever. You think that is me. Feel me creeping on the street. Body so from the bullshit I endure. Demons poisoning your mind, lead you right to your demise. Say goodbye to your life because it will end so fast. Motherfucking hit the gas, just your carcass will not last in the motherfucking place. Such a motherfucking shame. You will not look the same. Once again I'll tell you, mate, I will kill you not for pay, just for pleasure. That's so sane. I cannot ask anymore. Shut the fuck up, hit the road.
Still sippin' that, got my amigo in the kitchen. If you try finessing once, then he shooting like the Pistons. Blow won't call me back, cause he know the pack gon' miss it. Just heavy steppin', trappin', and the pistol never missin'. Still sippin' that, got my amigo in the kitchen. If you try finessing once, then he shooting like the Pistons. Blow won't call me back, cause he know the pack gon' miss it. Just heavy steppin', trappin', and the pistol never missin'.
Drop the Zanny in the beverage, I guess now I got some leverage. She looked me in my eyes, she told me, baby, you the bestest. That's cool and everything, but you ain't getting on this guest list. Choking bitches till they breathless, till they neck is red as cancerous blood. Then wipe my balls with the dub. I ain't a faggot, but I'm in love with Benjamin. You know what? Irrelevant. Bitches make me sick, but I'm optimistic with the dick. Might just drop one on your lip, bitch.
Still sippin' that, got my amigo in the kitchen. If you try finessing once, then he shooting like the Pistons. Blow won't call me back, cause he know the pack gon' miss it. Just heavy steppin', trappin', and the pistol never missin'. Still sippin' that, got my amigo in the kitchen. If you try finessing once, then he shooting like the Pistons. Blow won't call me back, cause he know the pack gon' miss it. Just heavy steppin', trappin', and the pistol never missin'.
I know some things I never did before. I ain't telling secrets, that's a private session. Keep the Smith and Wesson when I'm in my session. Cause these rappers wanna get a piece of mind, when all I really want is peace of mind. I'ma duck your smiles, dick up till the sun go down in your mama. All I wanna do is see these commas in my future. Kama Sutra, doing backflips on my mattress. Bust it open, be my canvas. No, these hoes just wanna see my savage side. I don't need a blue check, them hoes gon' know I'm verified. Certified, I'm matching, scrutinized perfection. Don't be second guessing me, bitch.
Suck on my dick. She said she gon' come through and she'll suck on my dick. Suck on my dick. Suck on my dick. She said she gon' come through and she'll suck on my dick.
Still sippin' that, got my amigo in the kitchen. If you try finessing once, then he shooting like the Pistons. Blow won't call me back, cause he know the pack gon' miss it. Just heavy steppin', trappin', and the pistol never missin'.
Yeah, suck that dick, bitch. 100 gang shit.
I'm in possession of the smoking gun. I'm in possession.